Hey guys, thank you for watching. Welcome to the Man Cave. I'm Gregor's wife and he is a little bit sick, so he cannot film today. So I'm gonna do this video because I said, just skip a week. And he was like, no, you have to film it today because it's super important. And these are shoes that just came out. And he wrote like a couple of things down for me in his book, what I should say about these shoes. So I'm gonna tell you everything. For starters, they made it like the OG, Jordan 11 Concord. Oh, that's what they're called. They're called Jordan 11 Concord, and I'm gonna unbox them. First of all, I just wanna say, we both reacted the same way when the box got into the mail. I was like, why is there such a huge Nike logo and pull for freshness and Nike logo? Why? Why are they doing this? This is such a way to like, get the package stolen. And my husband saw a bunch of pictures of other people who had their box robbed because this is so obvious. They shouldn't be doing this. It should be like a basic box. Anyway, we're gonna unbox it. It's completely closed. Pull for freshness. Yeah. Oh, how cool is that? You helped plant a tree. That is so cool. We take our commitment to the environment seriously. I'm gonna open it. All right, there's air. And more air, and then there's a sticker for returning, and then there's the box. Here we are. I just heard there's something special about the box. The box is made like the OG, like the original. That's what meant they made it like the OG. Okay, so this is the box, and I'm gonna open it. Okay, so this is the first time they made a bunch of these, but they're sold out everywhere. So it's super special, in my opinion. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's like a plastic bag. Look at that. It's like a trash bag. And these are the shoes. Ta-da! Oh, I would make these so dirty. They're black and white. So, this is what they look like. They are, first of all, huge, because my husband has huge feet, but they look really cool. They have like this shiny part, and then they have like rubber on the bottom, and then, what's this called? Okay, so this is patent leather, this is mesh, and this is gummy stuff. Look, it's blue on the bottom. Oh my god, that's so cool. Purple. The midsole is called Icy Blue. Say something about the stupid double box. Oh. The Concord 2 is their first Jordan from 1995. Is this the first Jordan ever? First Jordan 11. Oh, 2 is 11. Oh, okay. Okay, so these are actually old school shoes, basically. So the first retro was in 2000. In 2006, the Defining Moments package, Jordan 11, Concord, and Jordan 6 with golden accents was released. Oh, the accent was that this was golden. Cool. Why does it say 45? That was Michael Jordan's number on his back. The second retro came out in 2011. Campouts and riots everywhere make the craziest release of Jordans ever, really. Oh my god. You can see some of that over here.
To get the new Air Jordan basketball shoes, they literally broke a door off the hinges.
2014, the first low Concord to release on the market. And low meaning this is low, I think. I prefer low shoes. I think these are so cool, but like for me personally, I know this is not my channel, I'm gonna tell you anyway. I like low shoes. I think they're cuter. And now, the 2018 version. So the stitching on this one is exactly the same as the one on the OG. And they have another version, the newer version, which looks very different, but they tried to make it like the original one. I mean, exactly the same as the original one with this one. Only on this part though, like this little stitch part. So this is the Baron, and this looks different. The stitching, yeah, it really does. You can tell. Like this. We need to have a close-up shot of that. It does have Widow's Peak though. It has Widow's Peak, which is like this tiny little thingy here, which is like this. Oh, yeah, it's over here as well. They have it over here, and then here. It's like the tiny bumps or something. And the OG didn't have that. Yes, it really does look like the patent leather is higher than the OGs too. These are both of the shoes. Let me see. Yes, this patent leather is lower than this one. Okay, so now it's time for shoe shots or feet on your feet shots. It's not my size, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna wear them anyway. So let's have a go. so I have them on, and these were in them, these shoe trees or what they're called, and they're pretty cool. They're like purple blue, like the bottom, I guess. Yeah, it's the same color. Yay! Look at that. See, this is the bottom. And then you put these in so that they stay nice and fresh. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the shoes. So this is what they look like. So I'm a size 8.5 and this is 13, so there is a bit of a difference. But I have to say they are quite comfortable. I mean, I could probably fit another tiny foot in there, but they're good. I'm not creasing them. I also have Jordan 11s. I have the Jordan 11 Low Adress Pure Platinum. Those are the ones that I have in my collection. And I think they're pretty cute. But they're like very sporty, I think. Like very athletic for my personal preference. Like I don't wear them all the time, but they're cute. I like Jordans in general. So what do you guys think of these shoes? Let us know down below in the comments. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please thumbs up the video and don't forget to subscribe for more sneaker videos. Thank you, bye!